up, YouTube? We're on our way to get some wheels right now, but before we do that, gotta get some money first. Morning. A little grouchy. Eating, typing, working, driving, freaking feeding the kids. I know. Yeah. Hey, let me help you out, man. All right, guys, I picked up the wheels. It's time to go back. Gotta run back home, drop the babies off. I was afraid that I couldn't fit them in the car, but it works. I got 2 tires in the trunk, 3 kids in the back. Yo, these things look good. Hope you guys can see that. You drive through Maryland one time, look at this. Got a freaking nail right when I was leaving work. Since it's nighttime outside, I had to turn down the brightness on that display because it's just too bright. Look at Lily. Hey. Hey, girls.
Hi, Daddy.
What, rainbow faces? What's up, YouTube? Today, it's another day, new day. Got my wheels downstairs. I don't want to put it on yet because I gotta cook. Gotta get meals ready for the week. Gotta get some breakfast in me so I can hit a little workout. Cook some food for the family.